Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of DIY Clean Energy. In this session, we will discuss about wind energy. The kinetic energy of moving air can be trapped to produce mechanical energy that in turn produces electric energy. Do you know every 24 hours, wind generates enough kinetic energy to produce roughly 35 times more electricity than humanity uses each day. And unlike coal or oil, this resource is totally renewed each day. And what I am going to say might surprise you. Do you know that wind is actually a form of solar energy? Yes, you heard that right. Wind is a form of solar energy. Let's see how. It is because wind itself is a result of uneven heating of the Earth's atmosphere by the sun. Wind can be used in many ways such as sailing, flying kites, parachutes. These all use this wind energy. Many air sports and water sports also use this wind energy. The basic principle of wind energy is simple. A series of blades mounted around a rotor catch the wind and convert its kinetic energy into rotational energy. And then the rotational energy is converted into electrical energy. Traditionally, windmills were used to grind wheat or pump water. But in modern wind turbines, it turns a generator that creates electricity. The kinetic energy of a moving air or the wind turns the blade around the rotor, and the rotor is attached to the main shaft, and the main shaft is connected to the generator. The generator generates the electricity. So by using the windmill, when energy empowers a generator, it generates electricity. There are primary factors that determine just how much energy can a windmill produce. The factors are the size and the orientation of the blades aerodynamic design, and the amount of wind turning the rotor. Let's discuss blade orientation. Wind turbines can be designed with the rotor of two types. They can be horizontal axis and vertical axis. Vertical blades can pick up wind coming from any direction but with less efficiency than horizontal axis rotors. Horizontal design allows blade to capture wind's full force by tracking the wind direction and turning to face it. Older windmills were turned manually to capture as much energy as possible. This turning process is called yawing. And today's wind sensors and computer systems automatically adjust the blades with expert precision to capture as much energy as possible. Outside rotor orientation, the blades need to be shaped to maximize efficiency. In the earlier days, the blades designs used to be flat. The modern blades are curved like aeroplane wings, and wind travels faster on the curved surfaces. The blades of a wind turbine are made of fiberglass and resin layers. These blades are strong enough to operate through rain, lightning, and sunlight for over 25 years. Even with aerodynamic blades and a horizontal rotor, a wind turbine can only capture wind if it's in a windy environment. Wind speeds typically increase the higher atmosphere you travel. So today, most wind turbines are well over 100 meters tall, with equally large rotor diameters. A turbine of this height and size can capture a huge amount of wind. Now let's discuss the advantages and disadvantages of wind energy. Some of the advantages of wind energy are: it is renewable and clean source of energy, and it's available in plenty. It has lower operating costs and no green gas emission during operation. And it is an inexpensive source of electricity. It is cheaper than coal or a glass plant. And the disadvantages are: the wind is inconsistent. Windmills may reduce the local bird population. Wind turbines involve high upfront capital investment. Turbines might cause noise pollution. I hope you loved the video. Show some love by giving a like to the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for the latest updates. In the next video, we will perform a DIY activity on wind energy. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.